What's up, guys? I am here at the port of Long Beach picking up a car to wide body it. Let's get into today's video. It is freaking hailing. It doesn't rain or hail that much here in California, so I was not prepared. I should have, probably checked the weather channel or the weather app, but it's just something that we're not used to here in California. So I got the keys, and I'm gonna show you what we got going on here. But I'm gonna wait for this rain to die down just a little bit. I don't want to get soaked inside the client's car.
Just packed up a real money load and it's coming your way.
Russo, locked and loaded. We're all locked and loaded. Next stop,
Some food,
sewing machine.
then food,
Then food.
then a heist, Fast and the Furious stuff.
Then evasive motorsports. So our second stop is ABC Sewing Machine Home. Yuki, Pegasus, Brothers, Samsung, Console, all this. And we're in downtown LA. After this, we're getting food though.
Yes.
Hi, well, we're back. We just loaded the sewing machine in... where? In the back of the cab. Full industrial double needle walking foot sewing machine.
You can still fit like 2-3 more people back there.
Yeah. At least 7 Mexicans. I even came prepared with my Tijuana hat on there. We're good to go. Does this feel like work today, Russo?
It's an adventure.
One thing that LA does have on SD is the street vendors. The street vendors, like, they always got good food on the street. One of my favorite is the glizzies.
The hot dogs.
The glizzy, the hot dog, bacon wrap with the jalapeno and the peppers. And
No
the
shame
onions.
in that game.
I'll eat a glizzy all day. Got that clip and then you like cut that out like that would be the wrong context. But we're about to eat some mariscos at this place.
The tacos are supposed to be good. So.
Yeah, this is like what do they call them? The callejones right here, right? So let me show you what this place looks like. Bunch of like stores that they sell clothes and fabrics and piñata stuff and candy and all different types of stuff. Sheesh, but we're not here for the carnitas. Oh, we're over here. Oh, incognito, mariscos. Looks freaking bomb. Oh, the horchata is bomb. That's a good start. I don't know where to start. I'm gonna start with the tacos. Dude, Russo, I think you made a wise choice here. This is a shrimp taco with a little bit of like homemade sauce on it, but it's spicy and it's good. I feel like Keith Lee right now. If I had to rate this, we're gonna try it and rate it 1 through 10. I think it would be like for sure like a 9, guaranteed a 9. possessed me.
What'd you do?
I forgot that was like a hot. This is like aguachile. It's already spicy.
Oh,
And it comes with like a hot sauce, and I dumped it, and I put a little bit of tapatio, a little bit of salsa negra, and like, no mames,
Cálmate, mañoso.
it's just way too spicy. That place was actually fire. I fucked up and I put way too much hot sauce and chile and everything on my fucking. Dude, I killed. Yeah, I put like 3 different sauces, plus it's already spicy to begin with because aguachile is already, the sauce is already spicy. So I killed the whole horchata in a water bottle. So just like, whew. Alright, we just made it to Evasive Motorsports. Gonna swap out some wheels, check out the, see if they got any nice cars back there. I'm sure they do. Oh, this one right here. Sheesh. Is that like an old race car right there? Yeah. This thing, a freaking race car over here. Straight race car. Vegan? That's the Supra. That's the Evo. Supra and Evo. Gosh. I feel poor.
Me too.
Oh, dude, this thing. Whew. We were just talking to someone about the Porsche, and then we see this thing. Fuck. Now I kind of don't want to do off-road. I kind of want to do kind of like this. I don't know. It's hard and stuff. I don't know. It's too much. Let's get out of here. This. Look at this. That's just sexy. Fucking drive by. Oh, I saw it, but I was just like, look at this in a sex though.
Oh god. Oh my 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 god. Oh god. Oh god. Oh my god.
Alright. I just came all over myself. I gotta go clean up. We gotta go. It's too much. Alright, so well, we just made it back. Mm-hmm. Got a little coffee stop real quick. Vietnamese iced coffee.
The destination is on your left. 2954 San Luis Rey Road.
We home,
Alright.
baby. Alright guys, and that is gonna wrap up today's video. A little bit of a short one, but it was just a little bit of an adventure going to the Long Beach ports, going around LA, picking up, doing some errands and stuff like that. I hope you guys enjoyed that type of vlog, and if you do, go ahead and drop some comments and let us know, because I enjoyed that one. It was really easy to edit, and we could start doing a lot more of those kind of like day in the life type of videos. But on the next video vlog here, you're gonna see this Street Hunter Supra be born. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe and notification button so you guys can see what this thing is gonna turn out to look like. Also, go ahead and give us a follow on IG. Thank you guys so much for watching today's vlog here at SOS Customs. We got you covered. Peace.